What's up everybody, Dan here with TechFit360. It seems like it's been forever since I've made a video. It feels like a year, but I know it's only been 3, 4, maybe 5 months. But still, that's a long time to go between uploading videos to YouTube. So I just like to take the time to thank all of my subscribers who have reached out to me and said, Dan, where you been, man? And when are we going to see another video? So thank you for your continued support. So I'm going to kick things off today with the BenQ ScreenBar Lite. Okay. L-I-T-E, but it's a L-I-G-H-T. And the reason for the L-I-T-E, of course, it is a light version of the screen bar that BenQ has produced. I would say about a year ago, I did a review on the BenQ screen bar for your desktop PC. And I am still using that light today. I had no idea that I would still be using it, but the one thing I love about the screen bars is that it saves a lot of desk real estate. So there's no need for you to have a separate lamp on your desk. Now, today I'll be taking a look at the light version that was specifically made for your laptop. So we have the screen bar for your desktop. Now we have the screen bar light version for your laptop. Now BenQ was kind enough to send this product out to me for review, but I want you to know that will in no way interfere with me giving you my honest opinion. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, everybody, I'm back. Now, normally when I hear the name BenQ, I only think about things like monitors or video projectors, but they offer a lot of other cool products like interactive displays, gaming gear, speakers, etc. So when you have a moment, please go ahead and head over to their website and check out all the other products that they have to offer. So this is what you'll see when you receive your product in the mail, and once you open it, when you're looking for the instructions and you can't seem to find them inside the box, just look at the back of the box, because that is where you'll find the instructions on how to set up your screen bar light. Now, this is not an unboxing because I've already unboxed it. I've already been using it for like 2 to 3 weeks already, but I will at least show you what's in the box, which is not a lot, because basically this is a single unit product, so there's no assembly required. All you have to do is just pull it out the box and just attach it to your laptop. Wow, now the first thing I thought of when I pulled it from the container is that I wish I had a longer version of this for my desktop, because this thing is absolutely gorgeous. It's glossy. I mean, come on guys, who doesn't like glossy? Now, if you look at the back of the light, you'll see the clip. This is what you use to attach it to your laptop. It has the BenQ logo right there. You can also see the string of LED lights as well as the USB cable. Let me show you how easy it is to install this screen bar light. Just position the light bar right in the center of your laptop screen and attach it to the bezel with the clip. Next, find you an open USB port on your laptop and plug the USB cable into that port. And just like magic, glossy tech comes with a price. You're going to find out that this screen bar light is a magnet for fingerprints, so make sure you keep a cleaning cloth handy. Okay, real quickly, we're going to check out the controls, and these are touch sensitive buttons. On your far left, you have the light sensor. Next, you have a favorite button. Then you have your brightness and color adjustment, your brightness and color temperature button, an auto dimming button, as well as the power. And of course, you got my boy Bumblebee dead center. All right, so there you have it. You see it is all set up on my laptop. You can see how beautiful the screen bar looks when it's attached to my Daisy Macbook Air. And that Daisy nickname, that's a long story. But anyway, this screen bar also has an 85-degree viewing angle, so you can position it to whatever setting works best for you. Now, once you go ahead and cut the power on, you can notice, even with the lights on, you can notice how it illuminates my keyboard right now. So that's just showing you right there how bright this light can get for you. Now that we've seen it with the lights on, let's go ahead and turn the lights off so we can see how it looks. They say the freaks come out at night. Well, I'm here to tell you that there's nothing freaky about this ScreenBar Lite. Now, as I mentioned, I love the ScreenBar Lite for my desktop, and I am really loving the ScreenBar Lite for my laptop. The color temperatures range from a cool 6500 Kelvin to a warm and toasty 2700 Kelvin. And you can also download the ScreenBar Smart Light app for your PC or Mac. This can be used to control the ScreenBar Lite as well as your monitor brightness and temperature. Now, some of you may be concerned about this light covering your laptop camera. Well, don't be. Now, if you take a look at the ScreenBar clip, you will notice that there is a cutout right here. All right, now this is designed to fit around your integrated laptop camera, and please pay no attention to the unshaven man on the screen. Now I noticed that this ScreenBar Lite did block the camera somewhat, so you may just want to remove it altogether, but it's so easy to install, man, so it takes you 2 seconds. Well, there you have it. Now, if I didn't cover something that you're interested in, please leave me some comments in the comment section below. And if you want to pick up your own BenQ SmartBar Lite, you can pick it up on Amazon and at the BenQ website for $99. Now, if you decide to buy it from Amazon, please use my affiliate link because it will kick a little bit back to the channel. So in my honest opinion, I love this light. Like I mentioned, I love the ScreenBar for my desktop. And you know, I really enjoy using this ScreenBar Lite. This is one of those products that you're gonna buy if you really have a need for it. You know, this is not something you wanna purchase and just let it sit in your drawer or sit in a closet somewhere. You really wanna use this because the price is a little steep, you know, and I really thought it would be cheaper than the 99 bucks. But after using it for 3 weeks, I can understand why it's priced the way it is. So I believe in the biblical principle, freely you receive, freely you give. I'm going to give this BenQ SmartBar Lite to one of you guys out there, and it's real simple for you to enter. All you have to do is make sure you subscribe to the TechFit360 YouTube channel, and you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. You can do all three. You can do two, or you can do one, but I'm going to announce the winner on all of those platforms, so at least make sure you're connected with me on one of them. And once you subscribe to the channel, just leave me some comments in the comment section letting me know that, hey, you have subbed, and I'll enter you to win. I'm going to do a drawing on my mother's birthday, which is July 20th, so that's the day that I will announce the winner. So everybody, thank you for joining me today. I really appreciate you taking time out of your busy schedule and watching today's video. Please be sure again to connect with me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Subscribe to the TechFit360 YouTube channel. Dream it, believe it, achieve it, and I will see you in my very next video.